this is gonna be the mirror. Brand new carbon fiber matte finish from my Tesla. Open with one hand. It's gonna be, I believe, is the side, both side left and right camera. The fender, real carbon fiber. Oh, so lightweight. Super sexy. Oh. Ooh. One side done. Left and right carbon fiber matte finish. Clean the surface with alcohol before apply carbon fiber mirror. This is cloth cleaner. One wet and one plier. Right passenger look dope. So which would you prefer, matte finish or shiny gloss? They look good. They both look good. Super difficult to get on it. Oh my god. Took me like 20 minutes. The reason why, because I got the clear bar over the mirror, so it's hard to push it all the way down, but finally I did it. Fitment pretty good. Blind spot mirror, you need it perfectly. Thumb up.